All right, let's keep it moving. And today I'm giving you guys another look at these. These are the Adidas Streetball, released in 2019 in a bunch of different colors. And here is the first colorway of this shoe I bought. I also have a couple of pairs of the black suede with the multicolored outsole, but these are the kind of like the plain Jane white ones with a few hits of red, and I really like them. You guys seem to respond really well to these shoes. I've gotten a lot of views on the on-feet video of this shoe, so I thought I would give you all more of like an on-feet review. And the first thing I got to tell you about these shoes is that the quality you get for the price is unbelievable. I mean, these retail for around $100, maybe $110, but on sale you can get those for half that price and even less than half that price at times. To me, they certainly have a Yeezy vibe to them. They're chunky, they're big, and they're actually very comfortable. This is not Boost, this sole. It's not Boost. That's something called Light Strike. That's a little bit of an older Adidas technology, but still very comfortable. The leather, the quality, you just have to feel it to believe it, but it is thin but very high quality, really buttery, very, very pliable. Feels really good on feet, and the style is right. You know, it's got that chunky look. It's got hits of the red suede, a little bit of red there, a lighter colored plastic here, but all in all, a really nice shoe and a very comfortable one you can wear all day. And it looks heavy, but it's actually a very light shoe. The reason it's so light is because the leather uppers extend here around both sides, but here you have like a neoprene material. And so that's why it's actually a remarkably light shoe. It's called the Streetball because it's kind of based on outdoor, you know, basketball play, and I could see it working pretty well for that. You can see the outsole is interesting. These are pretty beat. These have been worn pretty heavily, and so you know, that's why it has a lot of discoloration. But overall, a really nice shoe, one that looks super good on feet, and one that's just a lot of shoe for the money. And you really can't say that about a lot of shoes right now. I mean, if you want to get into some Yeezys, I mean, you're not touching any Yeezys for under $250, and those are the 350 V2s. If you want to, you know, go into some of the other models, I mean, you're looking at $350 just to get into those. But this is an Adidas with really good build quality, really nice materials, very comfortable on feet, and more importantly, very inexpensive and budget friendly. Anyway, I hope you like this on feet review of the Adidas Streetball in this white and red colorway. Thank you very much.